This is a Crosby designed boat here called a Harbor Cat. We build them now. Beautiful little boats. And more seniors. And that's an Alarian. This whole place will be full of boats. And we have to varnish a lot of them. There's another Harbor Cat over there. Hinkley, and this is a Crosby launch, the green hull. We send those all over the country, and he's got the sealer. Okay.
This is just a thin coat of sealer. You can use varnish, urethane, thin it down a little the first coat. At the minimum, I put one thinner coat on and then two over it, but usually you have to put more than that on. But if it looks good to you, then
Cherry fills pretty quick, the grain, compared to some woods.
teak's one of the worst. Teak or oak are the worst.
Yeah. They're pretty, but they take a long time to fill the grain.
If you're going to use oak, try to get quarter sawn oak. It's really nice. I don't use much oak because it's hard to work with. So you can just sand between coats with a fine paper, 320, something like that. Just be careful, try not to cut through the corners. Doesn't matter too much with cherry, but if you were staining mahogany, you got to be very careful about these corners. You don't cut through the stain. We probably won't show a video of each coat because I just don't think it makes much difference.
No, but let's get one video of working with the satin varnish. That's a new product that we haven't demonstrated yet. Usually the plaques are finished with the rubbed effect satin.
Be careful what I said. You can see I got gloves on. I just don't feel like getting it all over my hands. Don't slide it on those sheetrock screws with a little gouge in. Put a little pressure on it so there's less chance. Each coat you got to try to clean it a little bit better.
You can also get drips going down through the holes that you mounted with, and drips on the four corners. So when you're done, have an artist brush handy and look up underneath and just carefully reach in with a long artist brush to wipe off any drips.
If you see drips on the inside from the screw holes, if I do it, don't worry about it because I do it.
No drips.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
this will set overnight. This particular one might dry in 3 or 4 hours, but don't rush them.
A lot of people are used to seeing cherry with that cherry stain.
Hey, whatever
And
you
we
like.
really like it better without. This is a really nice color here. And it looks great with the mahogany too.
Yeah, you don't want a too dark a plaque if you have some stained mahogany, because
Yeah.
it may not show up too
Not
much.
as much contrast. But whatever you
Oh,
like, this is the way we
fine.
like it.
Alrighty.
Alright, so the next video will probably be putting the gloss on the top sides, wet sanding and doing the finished coat of gloss on the top sides.
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay, thanks.
Yep.